Physical contamination occurs when actual objects contaminate the food. Common physical contaminants include hair, glass, metal, pests, jewelry, dirt, and fake nails. It is probable that everyone at some stage has found things or physical matter that should not be present in the food. It's easy to eliminate physical contamination if you understand the problem. How do we prevent these things to happen? For the food handler, personal hygiene requirements are: keep your hair out of the food by wearing hair restraints, a cap, or a hairnet. Take off any jewelry on your hands and arms before washing or handling food. Jewelries like rings, watches, and bracelets could fall into the guest's meal. Wear gloves if you have a cut or sore while wearing a bandage or a band-aid. For pests, it is essential that you keep vermin out of your premises. Vermin spread harmful bacteria and cause damage. It is important to check regular signs of pests. Look for damaged packaging, droppings, live or dead insects. Throw away any food which could have been touched by pests. You should also wash and disinfect any surfaces which have been or may have been touched by pests. A torch or a flashlight can be used for you to check properly. If you do find evidence of pests, call a pest contractor immediately.
Chemical contamination on food. Chemicals have a range of important uses in food businesses. Some chemicals are naturally occurring in our food. However, these and other chemicals may present a hazard if food handlers don't know that chemicals may be present, or if the chemicals are present in high concentrations. Food may be contaminated through carelessness and ignorance. How can chemicals get into food? Through raw food. Poisons may be found naturally in some raw food materials. Through pesticides. Unless organic supplies are chosen, foods may be treated with chemicals, such as pesticides and fungicides that are used on a farm. Through cleaning chemicals. Food may become contaminated if cleaning chemicals are not used properly. Through transporting. Petrol and diesel from vehicle fumes can contaminate food. Through storage and equipment. You may need to oil or grease catering equipment with moving parts such as mixers or slicers. Reducing the risk of contamination. Cleaning products. You should always store cleaning chemicals away from food. Never store chemicals in food containers. Never use food containers for cleaning jobs. Pesticides. Never use spray pesticides such as fly spray. Droplets can fall onto food and food services. It's a good idea to use a professional pest controller. Strong smells. Anything that smells strong can taint food. Food storage and equipment. You must train food handlers how to store food.
Biological contamination. Biological contaminants are products of living organisms that pose a risk to human health if absorbed into the body. Biological contamination occurs when foods containing naturally occurring substances that are poisonous to humans are ingested. Biological hazards are acquired from disease-causing microorganisms and the poisonous toxins they may produce. Biological hazards are by far the most dangerous foodborne hazard in the food service and food retail businesses. These include harmful microorganisms seen only under the microscope like bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Bacteria generally prefer food that are high in protein like meat and dairy items. Disease-causing bacteria grow best at acidity levels equivalent to pH 4.6 to 7.5. Most disease-causing bacteria grow within a temperature range of 5 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Bacteria need about 4 hours inclusive of the time food is between temperature danger zone. A fungus is a eukaryotic organism that is a member of the kingdom fungi. These are heterotrophic organisms that possess a chitinous cell wall. The majority its species grows as multicellular filaments called hyphae, forming a mycelium. Sexual and asexual reproduction occur commonly through spores, which are often produced in specialized structures or in fruiting bodies. Yeast, molds, and mushrooms are examples of fungi. The methods on how to control microbial growth are the application of heat, application of low temperatures, controlling of pH conditions, reduction of free oxygen, reduction of available water, role of other chemicals, and a safe and sanitary food.